Hi, welcome to the NordPass video guide. I'm Simas, a sales engineer here at NordPass. In this video, you'll learn how to invite new members to the NordPass organization using user and group provisioning via Entra ID. Let's get started. Before adding new members to the organization, we recommend setting up access management and security settings. This will ensure all new members start using NordPass with the necessary security in place. There are several ways to onboard new members to NordPass. One of them is user and group provisioning, which leverages identity providers like Microsoft Entra ID to add members and groups. Begin by going to the organization's Entra ID account. There, select Enterprise Applications to create a new one. Once you've set this up, switch to the NordPass admin panel. Go to Settings and locate the User and Group Provisioning section. Select Microsoft Entra ID and click on Get Credentials. A pop-up will present you with admin credentials. Copy and then paste them into Entra ID. Navigate to the NordPass admin panel to see the organization's provisioning status. Entra ID user provisioning should already be active in order to set up group provisioning. With user provisioning in place, the next step is to set up the encryption service, which allows NordPass to maintain zero-knowledge architecture. After you set up user provisioning, you will see the group provisioning option. To set it up, select Create Configuration. A pop-up will appear showcasing the necessary configuration details. Take a moment to either copy or download them. Now go to Microsoft Azure, find the Deploy a Custom Template page and build your own template in the editor. Here you will need to add the saved configuration details. Now select an existing resource group or create a new one. Upon successful deployment, you will receive a confirmation. Keep in mind that this process can take up to 10 minutes. Before deploying provisioning to all users, we recommend initiating a pilot test with a small group. Begin by assigning the app to a couple of users with a scoping filter set to limit access to these users only. If successful, you can adjust the filter to include all users from Azure for broader provisioning. That's it, you're all done. When you return to NordPass, you will see that the user and group provisioning process is complete. Now you can check if all the members were added under the Members tab in the Active section. In the Pending section, you'll see members who haven't yet accepted the organization's invite. Please note that any groups you've provisioned will appear under the Groups tab. An important note about managing newly provisioned members. All management tasks are handled exclusively through Entra ID. This centralizes your administrative duties for ease and efficiency. In NordPass, you'll oversee the organization's cybersecurity, manage member roles, and resend any pending invitations. If you need to suspend or delete members from the organization, you will need to go to Entra ID to carry out these actions. Deprovisioning members from NordPass in Entra ID will result in what's known as a soft delete. Once the member in Entra ID is selected for removal from NordPass, their status in NordPass will change. Active members will be suspended, and pending members will not be able to accept the invitation to the organization. Members that are soft deleted are automatically removed from NordPass after 30 days. During this period, the member can be reinstated along with all their data. However, after 30 days, the member will be permanently removed from NordPass. Users can be deleted immediately without the 30-day wait time. Hard deleted users are permanently removed from Entra ID and can be restored. The member will be moved to the Deleted section. If you want to preserve the deleted member's items and transfer them to another member, all you need to do is select Transfer Items and choose the member you want to transfer the items to. A new folder named Transferred with the upload date will appear in the new owner's vault. It's important to note that while individual items and those with shared permissions can be transferred, items located within shared folders are excluded from this process. We recommend transferring shared folder ownership before offboarding the exact user from NordPass. Without intervention, the deleted members' items will remain accessible for 180 days before being permanently deleted. If transferring isn't necessary, you can delete these items outright, ensuring no residual data remains. Great, now you're all set. If you have any questions about this topic or NordPass in general, contact our customer support team for assistance. Stay safe.